Hi friends, in this video we will discuss scope in ADR, that is alternate dispute resolution. Now there are two angles and there are two aspects in this particular video. Number one, the ADR which we know is arbitration. Now what will happen is, there are chances that because of the change in situation, the change in the entire business concept, people may invoke arbitration clause and people may try to negotiate with the help of arbitration. Because as on today, since last 2.5 months, nobody has really done the work the way which we do in normal way, including the business people, maybe in the manufacturing segment, maybe in the trading of goods, maybe in the import, export, maybe in the consultancy services. So all these people, nobody has fully worked to their full capacity. Everybody has their own contracts with their customers. Obviously, there is some issue, there are chances disputes getting happened, because everything cannot be done either online or through work at home. Some things have to be done physically. For example, manufacturing aspect. Now manufacturing of goods has to be done physically. You cannot do it online, you cannot do it at work at home. So if somebody has failed to deliver the goods, chances are there the disputes may happen. So there is a chance that these arbitration clauses may be extended and arbitration clauses may be invoked. So a scope of arbitration work may come into existence after the post lockdown issue. Now this is one aspect of it. Another is negotiations in the existing contract. See, what has happened is, when the contracts were executed by the parties way back, nobody had imagined this kind of a situation. So the force majeure clause which was incorporated into the agreements may not be having the situation covered which we are facing today. And because of this, there is a necessity that the agreements can be renegotiated. Now there are again two aspects in this renegotiation. Those agreements wherein the problems have actually occurred because of this lockdown. So parties want to take a chance to renegotiate the terms, the conditions in the contract, so that in the future such problems may get covered. So this is one aspect where the parties are actually affected by lockdown. There is one more aspect, and that is the parties are not affected by this lockdown, but they have become cautious. Now they want that this kind of a situation should get incorporated into their contracts, so that in future if something else, any new pandemic comes or something of that happens, there has to be a provision in their contracts. So they want to freshly negotiate. So this is where the scope lies of negotiating the contracts, resettling them, redrafting them, re-executing them. So, ADR, as we are said, one part is arbitration, one part is negotiation. Obviously, there are certain parties who may even sit for mediation. So, again a mediation work is also going to come. There are chances that the parties, if both the parties are trying to negotiate, they will prefer that let us sit for mediation, think how we can progress, what has happened, let us be cautious about the coming future. So, friend, these are the avenues which will get created fundamentally because of this lockdown issue: arbitration, mediation, renegotiation of contracts, redrafting of contracts. This is all which will get come into existence only because of this lockdown issue. In our next video, we will discuss scope of practice of consultancy. Thank you.